Hi, I'm Jay, and today on Jay's World Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make candy cane hot chocolate meringues. Meringues are one of those things that I have always been so intimidated by, and it took a long time before I was like, you know what, I am going to just try and overcome this and try some for myself. And I did, and they actually turned out really well. And I've had a couple of flops along the way. But this wonderful recipe is really quick and easy and kind of festive and perfect for the holiday season because it's got just a hint of that hot chocolate flavor and plenty of candy canes and chocolate and sweetness and good things. You have to try these. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. For this very simple recipe, you're going to need about a half a cup of egg whites, a quarter of a teaspoon of cream of tartar, a half a cup of granulated sugar, and about 4 teaspoons of hot chocolate mix. You're also going to need about a half a cup of chocolate chips and some crushed candy canes, but we'll get to that at the end. Let's put this together. Throwing this together couldn't be simpler. We're going to start off by combining our egg whites, and I will say I used 4 eggs, so it gave me just a little over half a cup. But if you're going to somewhere like a big bulk store, you can buy egg whites in a carton. That might be the best bet to get exactly half a cup, but mine's a little bit more. You're going to throw in your cream of tartar, and we're just going to start gently beating that together until it starts to form stiff peaks and slowly adding in our sugar a little at a time. And you want to beat this until you've got nice stiff peaks like this that don't fold back in. And now what you're going to do is you're going to very carefully just sprinkle the top with some of your hot chocolate mix and carefully fold it in to your meringue, a little bit at a time until it's all incorporated. And once that's well incorporated, we're going to put that into a piping bag, and I'm using one with a very wide tip today because of the shape that I'm after, and we're going to pipe that out onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. And once you've piped out all your meringue onto your baking sheet, you're going to pop it into a 200-degree oven for 2 to 3 hours until the bottom is just slightly brown. The idea really is to dry them out rather than bake them. So let's see how they look when they come out. Once your meringues are out of the oven and nicely cooled, we're going to quickly dunk them in a little bit of chocolate and some crushed candy canes that I've struggled a little bit with and found eventually using a mortar and pestle was probably the easiest way to do it. And really, these are really simple. We're just going to take each meringue, pop it into the chocolate a little bit, and carefully take off a little of the excess, dunk it into our candy cane, and just put it on some parchment paper and allow it to set. And of course, this is my favorite part of every episode. Now, I dunk the bottom of these, but you could honestly dunk the top and sprinkle your candy cane on top. But I thought they turned out really, really well. They look great, smell minty and good. So I'm going to try one and let's see how this goes. That was, wow. So first you get that burst of mint from the candy cane, and then the chocolate starts to melt in your mouth, and then that meringue just dissipates. Man, that's good. You've got to try these. And if you do, I want to hear about it in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Remember too that you can follow me on my social media, my Facebook and my Instagram, and you can also reach out and private message me there too. Those links are below in the comment section. If you would like to financially support this channel, you can do so on my Patreon. Patreon members receive these recipes in their inbox every time a video drops. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating!